Hi. Am I live? Yeah, finally. Hello, people. Hi, hi, hi. Hello, hi. How are you? How you guys doing? I know you guys must be thinking I never come on live, but today I thought it's a special occasion. My song is getting released, and there were so many requests from you guys that I should come live. So I thought it's a good day. Hi, Manpreet, hi Manpreet, hi Pritesh, hi Renu, Kashish, so many people joining in. Wow. How you guys doing? Hi, Buju Shah from Tamil Nadu. Please reply with my name. Hi Sukriti, hi. So guys, my song is I think it's already released now, and Humko Tum Mil Gaye. It's a very special song for all of us. It's our baby, and please go and watch it, and give us the kind of love and appreciation which you guys been giving me of late. And we worked really hard, and I was very excited to work with Hina, very excited to work with Universal Music, Vishal, everyone, and it's a great song. I hope you guys will love it, and the video came out really well. So go and watch it. What is that? The center request to your life. Please take my name. Ridhima. Hi Ridhima. Hi. How are you guys doing? सर गाने का नाम है हमको तुम मिल गए, and there's a link in my story as well as there's a link I just posted. Thank you so much, congratulations, thank you. So you can see a lot of people joining. I'm missing the questions, a lot of questions, it's too much. Hello, hi Vivek, what's up man? Vivek is there. How are you doing, bro? Vivek is also here, huh? Love the song, it's fantastic. Thank you guys, thank you. Hi Arpit. The story behind the song, I think it's a very nice thought behind the song, saying thank you, especially in these difficult times, to the ones who actually loves you and takes care of you in life, and किस तरीके से आप अपनों का ख्याल रखते हैं, और उनको मैं ऐसा कहूँगा कि कोई भी मौका मत छोड़िए अपनों को थैंक्स कहने का. And this is one of the ways we are saying thanks to all of us, all the loved ones. So जिन्होंने आपका ख्याल रखा इस मुश्किल टाइम में और अच्छे टाइम में भी, they are with you and all. So it's just a medium of saying thanks to them. हेलो करण, मेरा नाम लीजिए. हाय जिनाल, हाय Zamzam. Zamzam is a good name, huh? Please tell my name. Hi Sudha. Thank you for the hairstyle. Thank you. Hi Vinny. Vinny is also here. Vinny is sitting in front of me and she's saying hi. Hi Vinny. I always love such concepts, reflective. Thank you, yeah. Thank you Vivek. Thanks a lot, yeah. Coming that from you means a lot. Thank you. So guys, go and watch the song and tell me how you like it, and what you like the best about the song. What is your favorite part in the song? What is your favorite moment in the song? I love my favorite one is where me and Hina are watching our marriage wedding video, and that is my favorite part of the song. And where's Vinny? Show Oreo to everyone. Vinny is here around, and Oreo is also sitting in it. Oreo, come! Oreo, come baby. Oreo is also here, and definitely if he's ready to come in the frame, I'll show it to everyone. Show him to everyone. Sir, मैं आपका बहुत बड़ा fan हूँ. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Hey Pooja, how are you doing? The song's looking great, yeah. All thanks to you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So many people are saying it's a lovely song. Thank you. See, and Oreo is also here. I'll show it to you guys. Oreo, come. Come say hi to everyone. Come. Come. That's Oreo. That's my baby. Yeah, that's Oreo. Oreo, say hi to everyone. Yeah. Oreo is also excited about the song. Yeah. Bhai, big fan. Thank you. Vivek, Oreo was here. Did you see him? So, thank you guys. Thank you. And yes. You want to see them again? Come. 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 That's Oreo. That's Oreo. That's my baby. I felt that leg. You have to meet him. You have to come here to meet him, personally, to feel that thing. That's for Vivek actually. So please, मेरा नाम बोलना. Hey Parul, hi. Thank you guys. Thank you. Now Oreo is here. He's more excited now. You want to say something? You want to say something?
He wants to say bow bow.
He wants to say bow bow. Hey Jaggi, what's up? Jaggi is also here. Jaggi, Oreo was remembering you. Yes, baby. Yes.
He
See,
wants
people
it
are saying
back.
hi. People are saying hi to Oreo. Oreo, say hi. Oreo, say hi. Hi, everyone. My wife is sitting right there in front of me. Yeah, she's watching us. Yeah.
Come here, Papu.
Hi, Tanu. Hello, everyone. Hi. Thank you guys for the wishes. Thank you. Lots of love from Kashmir. Yeah, Kashmir is a beautiful place. Though I'm not very good with these live sessions and all. This is one of my second or third one, I think. I never did that before. So I don't exactly know what to do, but good to see that so many of you are liking the song. And thank you guys. Thank you so much for all the love. Thank you so much. And what is that? Hi Vaishnavi. Hi. I'm missing so many questions here. Yeah. Can you please call out my name? Hi Kidwai. Hi Farina. Hi Hasti. Wow. हमको तुम मिल गए. Yeah. You can see dog fur on your t-shirt. I'm a dog lover too. Yeah, that's dog love actually, I'll say. Pre-run is best. Thank you guys. Thank you for loving pre-run so much. And there are a lot of great scenes coming up in Kundali Bhagya 2. So keep watching it. Especially this week is gonna be great. So keep watching it. And we just started. Me and Preeta just started. Living in a room together now after becoming husband and wife officially. So there are a lot of movements coming up. So keep watching it. Sir, आप श्रद्धा आदि के साथ एक में definitely यार, I would love to do so many music albums with Shraddha. I think Pooja will be listening to this, and she's gonna cast us soon, I believe. कुंडली भाग्य में आपका रोल मस्त है. Thank you यार. Thank you Jyotsna. Thanks. Hey Pooja. Thank you guys for loving Kundali Bhagya so much. And Karan is very close to my heart. Thank you for loving Karan Luthra as much as I do. Karan is very close to my heart. And I always say this thing to in my interviews as well, that Karan and Dheeraj are very similar. And भाई प्रीता की शादी करके कैसे, प्रीता से शादी करके बहुत अच्छा लगा यार. I'm in love with TKL. Thank you. दिस इज़ माई सेकेंड मैरिज टू पीता दो. श्रद्धा आर्य भी लाइव आ रही हैं संडे को. सुपर यार. I shall join her live session there as a fan. Kundali Bhagya is a very good show. Thank you guys. Thank you. You are so cute. Thank you. Your fabulous expressions. Thank you guys. Thank you. I thank you Journey of Kundali Bhagya, and this is a great thing. Thank you. Karan Preeta गलत नहीं है. Myra गलत है. Oh, I didn't know that. The Karan Luthra is the bestest. Thank you. I'm missing so many questions and all. Look so cute. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Alright guys, I think that's it. I've taken so many names and all, and just once again, just go and watch Humko Tum Mil Gaye. It's a beautiful song. It's one of the most romantic songs I've ever heard, and go watch it. For me and Hina, I hope you will love the chemistry between us and all. It's a beautiful song, beautiful expressions, beautiful emotions. Everything is beautiful about the song. So please go and watch it and give us your love. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Lots of love to you guys, and thank you. There's so many messages coming up. Hello, मेरा बेटा आपको हाय बोला. Hello, hi. कानपुर आइए सर. मैं आप बुलाएंगे तो मैं आऊँगा, ज़रूर आऊँगा. मैं कानपुर आ भी चुका हूँ पहले. इट्स अ लवली सॉन्ग. थैंक यू. Thank you guys. Okay. Thank you for joining me here today. Thank you so much for all the love. Thank you. See you soon.